OpenBuildings Designer uses a ribbon interface. Ribbons help users to easily find tools and commands with a minimum number of clicks. Various ribbons are organized by workflows: building design, building systems design, drawing, general, modeling, and visualization. For this training, you will be working primarily in the building design workflow. Each workflow consists of multiple tabs, which are organized by task. Next to the workflow is the Quick Access Toolbar, which contains frequently used commands. The File tab opens the Backstage view, where you can perform different operations, such as managing your file and its settings, importing and exporting files, accessing help, and so on. The other tabs contain one or more groups or tools organized by task. Architectural tools for placing architectural objects, such as walls, doors, and windows. Structural tools for placing columns, beams, and slabs. Form tools for conceptual modeling, and a number of others, including drawing production and analysis. The groups under each tab group a set of closely related commands or tools, such as architectural elements or modify tools. On the upper right is a ribbon search, which allows you to enter words or phrases to search for tools within the ribbon. There's also an icon to connect you with help documentation, other training, and support. There's also a sign-in glyph that displays when you are signed in as a connected user. Just below the ribbon are some commonly docked toolbars. First, the Family Part toolbar. This allows you to set the active family and part of an object before placing it in the model. The family and part controls the symbology of the object that you place. Next are 4 commonly used lock icons. More on those later. They should all be locked or red for now. One toolbar that is not docked, but that you may like to see, is the Attributes toolbar, which shows the active level, color, weight, and line style. So let's see how we can modify the interface and dock a toolbar. Go to the Common Tools on the ribbon, select the pull-down, and select the Attributes. The toolbar opens on the screen. Simply select it anywhere in the header of the toolbar and drag it up to the space just below the ribbon. Once in place, you can drop it. In OpenBuildings Designer, the active family and part actually sets all the active symbology. Note that the family and part toolbar is set to part level, part color, part style, and part weight. Those values are defined for each part, and you can now see them displayed on the Attributes toolbar. Change the active family and part to Schematic Design Massing Building. Note that the attributes have changed based on the new part. Now that you've had a quick introduction to the ribbon, let's jump right in and do a little 3D modeling, and then we'll come back and look at the rest of the interface.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.